Several startups have launched EVs in an attempt to disrupt the transportation market, but the 2023 Lucid Air luxury sedan is one of the few so far that's made a notable impact. Its big battery and compact motors, both designed in-house, allow it to deliver unbeatable range and great performance. The Grand Touring Performance model can jump to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds or, when driven sedately, can sail on for 516 miles, its estimated driving range, according to the EPA. That's enough range to get from Boston to Baltimore with electrons left over. More important, it's more range than any other EV currently offers. The new Sapphire model is even quicker, with a claimed 60 miles per hour time of under 2.0 seconds. The Air's stylish exterior and spacious cabin add to its desirability, but its price tag had us expecting to find plusher materials inside. Almost all of the car's controls are accessed through one of several display screens that dot the cabin, a reminder of Lucid's Silicon Valley roots, and the software interface in the early cars is still a work in progress. Otherwise, the luxury 4 doors performance, driving range, and general snazziness make it a viable competitor for high-dollar EVs such as the Porsche Taycan and Mercedes-Benz EQS, as well as that other high-impact EV disruptor, the Tesla Model S Highs, world's longest electric driving range, spacious and modern cabin, blistering acceleration. Lows, tire noise permeates cabin, fussy infotainment interface, interior materials aren't up to the high asking price. Lucid has added a stealth look appearance package to the Air's options sheet for 2023. The $6,000 package swaps the Air's exterior brightwork for dark gray alternatives and replaces the car's 20 or 21-inch high polish wheels with black ones. The blacked-out look is available on all but the base Pure trim. There's also a new Sapphire performance model with a more powerful 3-motor drivetrain claimed to offer over 1,200 horsepower. We'd steer towards the Touring model. It offers plenty to like and costs significantly less than the Grand Touring trim. The Touring offers 20-inch wheels, leather upholstery, in-dash navigation, and 425 miles of estimated driving range per charge. All Lucid models come standard with 3 years of complimentary charging via the Electrify America charging network. The fanciest Dream Edition models are officially sold out, but if you want to maximize your luxury, and your out-of-pocket cost, the Grand Touring trim offers much of the dream's panache. The entry-level Air features a single electric motor driving the rear wheels and produces 480 horsepower. Other models have dual electric motors that provide all-wheel drive and a variety of horsepower ratings. The Touring model generates 620 horses, and the Grand Touring makes 1,050. We've sampled the Grand Touring and Grand Touring Performance trims, and the former delivered a brisk 3.0-second 60-mile-per-hour time, a feat that's easily repeated by using the car's launch mode. Despite riding on conventional steel coil springs rather than air springs, the sedan felt calm and smooth in the appropriately named smooth drive mode. Our main complaint was with our example's 21-inch wheels on low-profile performance tires that produced notable road noise on a section of coarse pavement. The new top dog is the 1,200-plus horsepower Lucid Air Sapphire, which has 3 electric motors. The additional motor is mounted at the rear and claims to provide insane acceleration performance in order to compete with the Tesla Model S Plaid. Lucid also claims a top speed of 200 miles per hour. The Air has the longest range of any electric vehicle currently on the market, according to EPA estimates. The base Pure has an estimated driving range of 410 miles, whereas the mid-range Touring is estimated to travel 425 miles per charge. The Grand Touring and Grand Touring Performance models offer up to 516 and 446 miles of range, respectively. On our 75-mile-per-hour fuel economy route, the Grand Touring went 410 miles, making it the longest range EV we've ever tested. The Air features a 112.0 kWh battery pack and DC fast charging capability. Plugged into a fast charger, the sedan is said to be able to recoup 300 miles of range in 21 minutes. The most efficient Air is rated at 131 mph combined, and the performance version is rated at 111 mph combined. Make no mistake, the Air is intended to be a luxury car, and its handsome interior is fitted with rich-looking materials and cutting-edge technology. Lucid is especially proud of the sedan's expansive passenger space, which is highlighted by a large back seat. While the standard rear seating is said to be comfortable for up to 3 adults, there's also an optional executive rear seating option that adds a recline function for ultimate comfort. The Air's glass roof that makes it feel even airier and helps outward visibility. The sedan's front center console looks to provide generous storage space behind the retractable lower touchscreen and inside the large center console bin, which houses a set of cup holders as well as slots to place a smartphone. We're also told its front trunk, or frunk, will have 10 cubic feet of volume. The Air is outfitted with a sophisticated infotainment system that incorporates a large upper touchscreen that flows out of the fully digital gauge cluster and a tablet-like lower touchscreen that handles additional functions and can be retracted into the dashboard. Lucid says the system's voice recognition software will respond to natural speech patterns. The interface also has an assistant that learns the user's preferred music and climate settings. In addition to some physical controls on the steering wheel, there are a set of toggles for temperature and fan speed as well as a roller to adjust the volume of the audio system. The Air is offered with an array of driver assistance technology, and the company is working on Level 3 self-driving abilities. The latter won't initially be available, but through the magic of over-the-air updates, it's expected to be offered within 3 years. Key safety features should include available forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, available blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, available adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist. Lucid is a startup automaker with no previous products, but its warranty coverage is very similar to Tesla. Neither brand offers complimentary maintenance, though. Limited warranty covers 4 years, or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. Dear friends, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you all.